527 small block Ford. Got that run there. Description combination. Got a set of our cylinder heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's all blacked out for you. Billet Specialties blacked out. Accufab throttle body. Holley ECU. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 486 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 510, peaks horsepower 510. So it runs good. We rated it 500, front end on it. That's our new cylinder head and EFI combination. We kind of softened the cam up for idle for you too, so everything's great. We'll get her off there, get her crate, come your way. Have a great day.